What's up everybody, JRose24K, aka Rose Adventures, back with another video. Today it's just going to be a quick unboxing of one of my favorite sets, Ascended Hero. Let's get right into the box. Alright, so of course before I get into these packs here, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything it comes with. You're going to get your promo card, you're going to get a booklet that actually gives you the whole set, so that way if you're trying to collect the whole set, you can check it off as you go. You get your dice, your dividers, and then of course you get your challenge coin and dice, so that way you can play the game. It comes with this special booklet here, so that way if you're ever trying to complete the set, this is what you want to use to check off all your cards. So, let's get started. Like I said, you get your packs, 9 packs of Ascended. You get your Zekrom promo, which is a awesome promo, by the way. Hopefully, if you got lucky, you got the Pokemon Center one. It would have the stamp there that says Pokemon Center with your divider. You have your sleeves, super cool, sleek in the front. Energy cards if you're ready to play the game. Your dice, damage dice, and regular dice. And then, of course, your challenge coin of Dragon. Start with pack number 1. Okay, code card. Onto the front as always, Fire Energy. Nice, and it's a holo, so that could be a good sign. We got Salandit, Chikorita. Got a trainer card, Koala, Team Rocket's Repeater. Oh, SIR Dugtrio, nice! That is an awesome hit. And then you got a Pancham and a holo. That is awesome. First hit out of the box. I'm actually really excited. I needed that one. So, of course, like I said, use those sleeves. Keep it safe. Pack 2. I swear if I get a God pack out of this, this will be crazy. One to the front. Electric Energy. Psychic. Alright, starting off with Roly-Poly. Snorunt. Bidoof. Dratini. Pignite. Karimba. Keeping going with Heliodisc, Energy Spidops, Pokeball, and a holo Terapagos. Not bad at all. Pack 3. Code card. We're going to go Water Energy, Fighting type. Got your Poketech, Dugtrio, Wurmple, Charmander. We've got the Twins, Dugtrio, Tadbolt Energy, Rufflet, Larry's Rufflet, Pokeball, and a holo Petrant. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so pack 4 we have Dark Energy, Togepi, Grubbin, Raboot. We have a Gibble. We have Energy, Snow. We've got a Sneasel Water Energy. We have a Pokeball Noivert and Mega Lucario EX. That's a really good hit. So far, so good. We got pack number 5. Code card to the front. Let's go Grass type. Steel. That's fair. We got a Poffin, Togepi. We got our little Gibble, Wurmple, Team Rocket, Energy. Oh, here we go. Starly Energy. We have a Charjabug and a Mewtwo EX. Nice. So this box is giving us some pretty good hits right now. We've got 3 good pulls out of so far 5 packs. It's probably been the better box I've opened so far lately. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. Pack number 6, we're getting close to the end. So pack 4, we have Dark Energy, Togepi, Grubbin, Raboot. We have a Gibble. We have Energy, Snow. We've got a Sneasel Water Energy. We have a Pokeball Noivert and Mega Lucario EX. That's a really good hit. Love it. Let's go ahead and pop that right in there. So far, so good. 2 awesome hits. We got pack number 5. Code card to the front. Let's go grass type. Steel. That's fair. We got a Poffin. Togepi. We got our little Gibble. Wurmple. Team Rocket. Energy. Oh, here we go. Starly Energy. We have a Charger Bug and a Mewtwo EX. Nice. So this box is giving us some pretty good hits right now. We've got 3 good pulls out of so far 5 packs. It's probably been the better box I've opened so far lately. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. Pack number 6. We're getting close to the end. Pack 6. Take the code card off. 1 to the front. Let's go water. Oh, dark type hollow. Hello. Let's go. All right. So we got our ice. We got our Larius Koala. We got our dragon. Chikorita. Drampa. Banette. Got a trainer. We have our hollow electric Ionos Kilowattrel. We have our Pokeball Victreebel. And a Ethan's Magcargo hollow. So far, so good. All right, so pack number 7. Let's do it. Gonna put that code there. Let's go electric energy. We got water. All right, starting off with Reboot, Sneasel. We got a Hops Phantom, Grubbin, Vanilla. Got the Power Drink. We got Drampa, Energy Hollow Rotom, Pokeball Hollow Chikorita, and oh, nice! A Canary. Full art. Okay, this is one of the best boxes I've ever opened. That's crazy. We got 2 more packs. I got a special guest helping me out with the last pack magic today. Pack number 8. Code card as the front, as always. We'll go fighting type. Yeah. All right, we got our little Hoppip. Got a trainer card. Clefairy. Zigzagoon. We have a Dustox. Pancham. We have a hollow Misdreavus. Pokeball hollow Totodile. And a hollow Okidogi. All right, so the moment we've all been waiting for, last pack. All right, this is gonna be my little sister Jade. Hey Jade, say hi to the people. Hi. All right, so I'm gonna have you open that pack for me, okay? Okay. So go ahead and just rip that open for me. All right, so as always, we got our code card. 1 to the front. Last pack magic. Jade, what do you think? I'll let you guess the energy this time. Water, fire, electric. Fire. All right, fire energy, and it is grass. Let's see what happens. We got ourselves a Charger Bug, Vanilla, Trampy, Execute, Banette, Trainer, Dustox. We have a hollow trainer, hollow Pokeball Kingambit, and a hollow Victreebel. All right, guys, so as you can see, honestly, this was the best ETB hit that we've had in a long time. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Jay, do you want to say bye? Bye. All right. Have a good one, guys. Be safe and keep collecting those cards. Peace.